Hello, my wonderful people. How are you all? Welcome back. Welcome on a Sunday evening. How are you all doing? I hope you had a good weekend. So, friends, first of all, I would like to thank you all. From 46 or 56, I went to 101 subscribers. Thank you for all that. And a huge shout out to my TikTok friends who have come and subscribed me and giving me a great motivation to do much better and do more good home remedies and cooking part. Thank you for all that. Thank you for subscribing to me. I appreciate all your love and support which you're doing for me. Thank you so much. So friends, today we'll be making a nice lentils which is from I think these lentils are made in Mexico. Mexican people eat this a lot, so I just found them and I really love the taste of it. So it's wonderful, friends. So let's get started. These are the lentils which we get from Walmart. So these lentils are also very tasty actually, but I don't know what are they called. They are just called lentils. It's a Mexican product, so it's from Mexico, so it's a very good lentils actually. When you season it and when you eat it, it doesn't look that you're eating this kind of a lentil. I have washed it and soaked it for 10 minutes. This is how they look. Now we'll add some spices. I'm adding some macedonia, little black pepper, little turmeric, a spoon of salt. I close the lid. I'm adding the weight and putting it on medium so that it gets cooked. Yeah. I have added a small radish which we get here in America. We get here the round ones and red ones. I forgot to show you because it was in the freezer when I had gone last time to shop. So I had freezed it, so I could not show you well. But this is how it looks, and this is how it is. It'll be small radishes. This is the puree which I had done it, and it is of tomatoes and cilantro. So you just mix this also. Adding some water, like 1 cup of water because it was too thick. Just stir it once and keep it for one more whistle. Just close it and put the weight on it and put it on the range. Adding 1 spoon of oil. Of garlic. I took around 4. I'm just chopping and heating it in the oil. Friends, I'm adding 1 spoon of tomato puree. So friends, I'm adding some black pepper, some hing, some asafoetida, little turmeric, little salt, and little chili powder. I've added all the spices and I'm trying to saute it for a second so that it absorbs all the water. So I'm adding all this to the mixture of the lentils, and here it looks so yummy. It's smelling so delicious. Here, friends, I made dal with the naan today, so it's so yum and nice. Enjoy. So friends, how easy and nice it was to make, and a good soup recipe also. So I just ate it with naan and tortillas. So friends, I hope you make it, and when you make this dish, share it with me also on Instagram or on Facebook. I would love to see how you guys also make it and how it came in your place. So friends, thank you for watching, and lots of love from me. Keeps liking and sharing my content on my YouTube, from TikTok, wherever you find good stuff. Please share it with your friends, family. I appreciate all this love which you have given to me, and thank you, friends. So like it, share it, and subscribe. Till then, sending you lots of love. Bye. Good night.